met Harry Lee at a masquerade the other night. He liked she and she liked he, just a case of love at single sight. He took Nellie home that eve, also took the number of her phone. Just before he took his leave, Nellie whispered in the cutest tone, call me up some rainy afternoon. I'll arrange for a quiet little spoon. Think of all the joy and bliss. We can hug and we can talk about the weather. We can have a quiet little talk. I will see that my mother takes a walk. Mum's a word when we meet. Be your mason, don't repeat. Angel eyes, are you wise? Goodbye. He looked wise and looked for rain. Sure enough, it rained that Saturday. Give me 3, 4, 5, 6 May. Nellie dear, prepare, I'm on my way. When he rang the front door bell, no one there responded to his call. Soon he heard his pretty Nell singing to somebody in the hall. Call me up some rainy afternoon, then again how's the evening for a spoon? Call around tomorrow night, we can then put out that fire in the furnace. My mama will sure be out of town. She'll be entertained by Mr. Brown. My papa won't be round, he will call on Mrs. Brown. Angel